One of the possibilities that we also have in the filters is, apart from selecting those that fulfill a specific value or a particular set, we have the possibility of sorting them. In this case, since the entries are alphanumerical, we sort them alphabetically. If what you have are numerical grades, we would sort them. We could sort them in this case from lowest to highest or from highest to lowest. I would sort them alphabetically or non-alphabetically and by numbers from smallest to largest, which is the total numerical order. It is very interesting to see that here we have the option of sorting by color. That is, if we have in our table certain color fills assigned, as was the case where we detected that a person had achieved a grade that didn't correlate this 0 in relation to the other very good grades, or those people who had a better grade. I have them highlighted in red or green because they are notes. They draw attention so that I, in the table, have them like that all the time. If we have sorted them alphabetically or sorted them by grade or alphabetically, for example in table, I will always find it useful perhaps to sort by color. That is, so that the greens, for example, appear at the top because I want to draw attention to them. Then the rest are all in alphabetical order, and maybe those that are in red, we put them just above this one, because I am going to select these cells, or for whatever reason I want them to be in a particular place. Quite simply, I have many options for sorting the different columns, both alphabetical and by numbers. And then we also have that if we have noted a given format by color, it is also possible to sort it so that these are at the start or end of what is the list of our table.